Hi there, my name is Edgar. Salon by Premier Software has the ability to export end-of-day reports. These can then be used to help with digital tax with systems such as Sage. So in this video, I will be showing you how to export a report to Sage for digital tax use. First, open your Salon application. If you're a single-site salon or spa, log into Manager, otherwise log into Administrator. Once here, click the System Setup icon to open a new pop-up window. From here, click the Sites icon. If you're multi-site, you can then select the site name at the bottom. Head to the Site Settings tab and click this. On the left, scroll down the menu until you see the End of Day options. Click to highlight this. On the right, you will now be presented with several options. The one we'll be focusing on here is under the Sage Export section, as we want to export the data to Sage so we can file a digital tax report. Click Enable Sage Export. You can then select a file or folder to export the file to, using the ellipsis below. You can then input any codes that you have in your Sage system, such as in the Sales Cost Center and so on. The final code is the nominal code used for Sage. It is important this matches your Sage system details. In fact, there is one other detail we will need to configure before you can successfully export any reports for Sage, and that is your till nominal codes. Once you have entered all the applicable codes on this screen, head back to the main menu. Click the Financial menu and then Income Centers. Here you can see the nominal code for each of your income center areas. These should be all different from one another and will be used by the system to match where money will be allocated to and from. If you click the back arrow, you can also click the payment methods to check that each of the payment, such as card or cash, uses a different nominal code for your sites in the system. Click the back arrow once you have checked all of these. Next, log out of Manager or Administrator and log in to Reception. At the end of your day, you can then run your end of day process. Click the End of Day button at the top of your application and proceed with the end of day process as normal. Click Yes on the prompts for the till and you will receive a breakdown of your revenue takens for the day. You can click Export Report on the top left to export this manually if you wish, selecting the format as .scv so it appears as a spreadsheet. Alternatively, click the back arrow and the system will alert you that it is performing a Sage export based on the settings we configured earlier. You will receive a pop-up at the end of this process to confirm that the export has been completed successfully. The Sage Export Report spreadsheet will be saved in the folder location you specified on setup. Should you double-click to open this, you will receive a breakdown of different areas of business. For example, you will see the Salon site in the second column, the nominal code used for the purchase in the third column, the purchase type, date, transaction value, till code, and tax. This can be then imported into your Sage system ready for use with digital tax. Should you ever need to export past end-of-day reports, these can be accessed when you log into either Manager or Administrator, then clicking the End of Day icon at the top of the screen. You can then locate your site if applicable and click to highlight the report. Click Export to then export this for further use. For more Salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to us on YouTube and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they are available. We also have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premier Software content. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos and I'll see you next time.